I have been using and testing this robot vacuum cleaner for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with how it changed the way I clean, or should I say the way the robot cleans for me. And this is the J20 robot vacuum cleaner from our sponsor Eureka, and I want to showcase this robot and all of its capabilities that made my family's life easier by eliminating the one task I dislike the most, and it's vacuuming and mopping. Now, the most incredible thing about the Eureka, which is the first in the robot vacuum industry, is their roll renew mopping system, which has a roller brush instead of a rotating mop like other vacuums have, which picks up the dirt into the mop and rolls it around the floor, contaminating already clean surfaces. Instead, this roller mop rotates in such a way that the dirt will get sucked into the dual tank, separated by the dirty and clean water. Speaking of water, the J20 has 5 mop cleaning nozzles that spray clean water into the roller, which keeps the roller clean for longer. The water tank is pretty large at 250 milliliters, and this thing holds a lot of dirty water, which keeps the floors clean because it's not spreading it around. The reason the dual tank technology is so impressive is that the roller continuously cleans the floor instead of going back and forth to the base station to clean the rotating mops, and reduces the amount of runtime per single charge, which makes cleaning take longer. The innovative belt design has 17 newtons of downward pressure, which is really good compared to other vacuums which have about 12 to 15. This again is a great benefit because it will have enough pressure to scrub the floor really clean like it does at my house. Now, getting into the vacuum performance of the Eureka J20, it has one of the highest PA suctions of their lineup. This system is automatic, and when it detects carpet, it boosts the suction of the vacuum. So if you have really thick carpets, this robot will have no problem navigating and sucking up the debris with this powerful suction. The J20 interestingly uses a single-sided brush design which scatters the debris less than a dual brush design, and it has a trick at the bottom of the robot. They added an additional squeegee that funnels the dirt into the cleaning brush instead of leaving the dirt behind. And another cool feature is that the J20 comes with the ability to switch out the mop to a different one that has 2 sides. One side is fluffy and the other side is dry. So what this allows the user to do is use it for both carpet and mopping at the same time. And the big benefit of this is that the carpet will not get wet from the mop because the J20 intelligently recognizes the mop when you switch it and applies new cleaning logic that will vacuum and mop even while cleaning the carpets, but will not get your carpets wet, which is a really nice benefit because nobody likes a wet carpet. The Duo Detect AI obstacle identification on the Eureka J20 uses AI dual vision structured light and 3D recognition obstacle avoidance technology. Equipped with 2 line lasers in front of the machine similar to the forward-facing eyes of a person, it achieves not only precise obstacle avoidance, but also dynamic sensing. This system includes precise laser navigation and detection capabilities, enabling the vacuum to quickly map out home layouts and accurately identify obstacles. This advanced technology ensures that the vacuum's automated cleaning process both seamless and efficient, navigating through complex home environments with ease. Additionally, thanks to the built-in infrared laser radar, the J20 ensures obstacle avoidance capabilities even in extreme low light environments. So when your robot is cleaning at night while you're sleeping, it can avoid shoes or any kind of things that are laying on the ground and will not stop the operation of the vacuum. This thing can also practically go anywhere you want it to go with a 22mm threshold crossing ability, so it can move from room to room that might have a bump out, like I have between my hallway and the mudroom that has a tile transition, and it goes back and forth between effortlessly. And the best part of this robot is the way it connects to the base station. The base station is an advanced hub that does all of the things that you'd do to wash and vacuum the floors manually, but instead, the base station does everything automatically for you without additional effort. For example, it automatically cleans out the dirty water when it's finished and refills the robot with clean water for the next wash. It empties out the vacuum into the 3-liter dust bag that holds up to 75 days of dust and debris, so you don't have to worry about it at all. Now, you also don't have to worry about any kinds of odors because the base station has a small fan that disperses the odor in the station by circulating the air to ventilize the dust bag in real time and filters out using ozone, so essentially you have no odors. The base station also has a 3.5-liter capacity water tank which washes the roller out with clean water and detergent dispenses automatically, which comes in the box with the base station. The dirty water then is extracted from the robot and goes into another 3.5-liter wastewater tank, which is a really large tank compared to the competition, which you have to empty out more often. The mop then rotates in both directions for self-cleaning and is equipped with hot air drying, ensuring a thorough cleaning and fluffier texture after drying, adding to the lifespan of the mop. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is the app control you get with the Eureka app. You get loads of customization like scheduling cleaning times so it runs automatically. We got multi-floor mapping if you want to use it in different areas. We got virtual no-go zones and virtual walls, which is really useful if you don't want the robot to go to a specific place. And the last thing is the voice control with Alexa and Google. So with all of that said, my experience with the Eureka J20 has been phenomenal, and it has become a great addition to my home automation, and going from manually doing the cleaning to sitting back and relaxing while the robot does all of the work that my wife and I don't want to do. Instead, we can now do other things that we enjoy. So if you're anything like me and want more time for the fun stuff, instead of worrying about vacuuming and cleaning your floors, the Eureka J20 is a great option for you. And I will have the links in the description for you to pick one up. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.